Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to send video on TikTok message. It's very easy, right? So if you want to send a video from your gallery to someone on TikTok, it's very easy. Though you need to put a few things in place. So let's see how we can do it. All right, so the first step you have to take is, of course, open your TikTok app and log into your account. Next thing you want to do is to choose the person that you want to send a video to. For example, if I want to send a video to this person right here, all I have to do is to first of all decide the video. So let's say I want to send a video from my FYP. That one is very easy. All you have to do guys is to click on the share button at the right hand side of your screen, and then you're going to see your TikTok friends right here. So just go ahead, choose the person who you want to send the video to, just like this, and click send at the bottom of your screen, right? And that will be sent to the person. As you can see, the video has been sent, right? So okay, so let's see how we can actually send a video from our gallery. So if you look right here, let me go ahead and delete this video. If you look right here guys, you're going to notice that there's no option to send video to someone from your gallery. All right, what you have to do in order for you to do this guys is to, first of all, you have to post the video on TikTok. So go ahead, click the plus sign at the bottom of your screen and create a video. All right, so once you create a video just like this, go ahead and click go ahead and post the video, right? So I'll just post this video right now, though I'll delete it later. Right, so once you finish posting this video, you are going to find the video right here on your profile, right? So what you just have to do is to click the video just like this, and then click on share or the three dots at the right hand side of your screen, and then send to the user, right? Just like that. So guys, that's how you can actually send video to someone on TikTok message. Hope this video was helpful and you now know how to do it. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.